This 2017 Palomino Backpack SS 550 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 13 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, leveling jacks, LP detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, external shower, stovetop burner, and 16 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunk over cab. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Palomino Backpack SS 550 is 1,594 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.